Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new tutorial about the coin drop. If you haven't seen it, watch the head coin drop tutorial first, because you really have to master the head coin drop before to attempt the coin drop without using your hand. Before to start, if you want me to follow your power move progress, check out my Patreon link in the description, and also if you're interested, check out my merch, also link in the description. Before to attempt the coin drop, you need to know at least 1 or 2 or 3 rounds of windmill. If you can do a proper windmill would be even better, so also the backspin of course, and also the head coin drop. So if you don't know how to do these moves, check out the tutorials before and then come back to this tutorial. The easiest way to start, in my opinion, is the backspin start. So this start here. From here, just do 1 round of backspin or even 2 rounds, how you feel more comfortable. So backspin, knees towards your chest. From here, you want to lean your head on the floor like this, and you want to push up with your legs. So it's kind of like doing a kick up with your legs, kind of like this, but in the kick up you kick straight in this direction. For the coin drop instead, you kick towards the windmill direction. You kick in the windmill direction, so in this way, on my left, if I spin clockwise. So from here, I kick up, but towards this direction. Same as the head coin drop. I recommend to start with both hands. From here, do a backspin, 1 round, half round, 2 rounds, how much you want, and lift yourself up by using your hands like this, kind of like a push-up, and by using your knees to push high. So from here, you push up, and at the same time you roll, you put your right hand here, close to your face, you lift yourself up a little bit, you put also the left hand on the floor, and you do kind of like a push-up. So it looks something like this. Try this movement until it feels very easy. Then try it with only 1 hand. So same thing, but just push with 1 hand. And the other hand, the left, stays like this. Here. Not too wide, not too close, but kind of relaxed. Once you master it with 1 hand, try it the same with the other hand. This hand, the right, if you spin clockwise, this time is relaxed here, and the left pushes like this. So from here, from the back, you put the left hand here, and when you go up, it pushes like this. Kind of like almost going on your elbow and then on your hand. But the elbow doesn't really touch so much the floor. If you want, you can use your elbow to assist, so kind of like this to push up. It depends how you feel more comfortable. Just try it in your own way, but push with your left arm. Right arm if you spin counterclockwise. So once you master it with 2 hands, with 1 hand and with the other hand, you're able and you're ready to learn it without using your hands. The first times I recommend you to use some mats, use something soft before, and really kick stronger this time. You don't have your hands anymore that supports you, and so you need really to kick and to push strong with your legs. The concept and the movement is the same as before, as when you use your hands. So do the same thing, but just kick stronger. Maybe it could be a little bit scary, but if you are really comfortable with the head coin drop, with lifting up yourself with the right hand and with lifting up yourself with the left hand, this should come very easy. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. If you need help for your power moves, check out my Patreon link in the description, and if you want, check out my merch, also link in the description. See you next week with a new tutorial and new videos. Yo ninjas!